Hello everyone, welcome to Malus. Today we are going to fix front and back camera for Mitsubishi Outlander 2021 edition, and this is a Junsun dash cam and we bought it from AliExpress and it was $175. These are the pieces that we got from the dash cam. We have just kept it outside. Comes with a camera. This is the front cam and this is the back camera, the power cables. This is the executive power box, exclusive power box for 24-hour parking, the memory cards and the 3M stickers. These are the functionalities of this camera. It's a 4K 180p, got a night vision, parking mode, motion detection and 170 degree. So let's see how we can fix this.
Okay, first thing we need to locate the fuse box. It comes in the passenger side under the glove box. So there is a connector here. I just removed this one here, so that you just need to remove it first here and then take this out from here. Okay, so we just opened it. Okay, so this is the fuse box. Now we need to identify which one will have the power when the vehicle is shut off. Let's find out. So the vehicle is in now off mode, so let's find out which one has power now. So we're just checking here. So this is actually the hazard one and it actually has the power here, so we'll be using this one here. Alright, so this fuse here, so we'll be using this one. Okay, so we're just removing the fuse and putting the other one. Okay, so we already connected the negative here on one of the bolts. If you're able to see, okay, so this one over here, this one here, the negative is connected. Yeah, this one, the negative is connected here, and then the positive is connected to here. This is actually the hazardous fuse, so we remove that one and connect the fuse there. And now you can see the camera is on now, so we are just trying that. Now let's put all the wires through the top.
So now we are trying to fit the rear camera. So from the front we have taken the wire through the back, and the screws were removed, and this we'll be placing the camera somewhere here, and just making sure that the wire is across all back panels.
Okay.
So we are removing this panel and just trying to pull the cable across so that we can fit the camera. Screws back now.
Clips.
The clips. Just to make sure it fits tightly there. So before installing the camera, we'll have to install the app which is called Roadcam in your mobile, just to make sure that you have placed the camera at the right position. So in the app you should be able to see the details, so make sure that you install the app Roadcam. So we have to put the memory card inside first. And this is the Roadcam app that you have to install from Play Store or Apple Store. Loop recording, Abhilash video. Okay, so we have now inserted the credit card.
Okay, in the screen mode, just press M here, then go to the second menu. So you have something called, okay, it's not here, so we just need to go to the next. Okay. Wait, okay. Let's go to format. We insert the memory card, so we are just going to format it. Okay, so now the memory card must be okay. Okay, so we have so many options to configure. You can put the plate number, you can put factory driving tapes, low. So this is basically an ADAS system. What is that? Driver assistant system. So if you are moving the lane without putting indicator, actually it should beep. So we'll see all those later. Let's first configure that in the mobile. So we just need to enable first Wi-Fi. So this is that I was talking about, LDW, line departure warning. FCW is forward collision warning. It means if you are too close to in front of vehicle, then it should actually beep. Then Wi-Fi, let's turn on Wi-Fi first and then configure it in the mobile app. Okay, so now Wi-Fi is on. You can see the here. No, that's actually not Wi-Fi, it's GPS. So now you go to your mobile and then wait for, okay, so this is the Wi-Fi and password is 123456. Join. Okay, so now it is connected to the Wi-Fi. Now if we go to the app, so actually should be showing the speed here and then showing what format it is. Now it's in ultra HD mode. Now it's trying to connect it, but it's not showing here as connected into Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's turn off mobile data for time being. Okay, now it's connecting the camera, so you can see the mobile preview here. So we will fix this camera based on this. Okay, now at least we can see this in the mobile, so we'll now fix the camera. Okay, now we are just checking the back camera. So back camera is in position. We're just checking. We can see this in mobile. Sorry, it's very sunny here, so yeah. So we can see the back camera. So now we are going to fix all those things.
So we have fixed both the front and the back camera. As you could see, both the screens in here, the front as well as the back. Everything has been placed. This is how the camera looks from the front. And this is how the camera looks from the rear. Thanks for watching Brusimalus. For more videos, subscribe, please like and share. And for more videos, stay tuned.